Calisthenics workouts are body weight-based activities done utilizing various levels of intensity. This workout form is a type of strength training that involves multiple movements completed rhythmically. These activities help beginners enhance coordination and lower limb muscle flexibility and promote upper body muscle strength and endurance. These movements trigger large muscle groups and focus on every part of your body. The good news is that you require minimal equipment to do calisthenics. This video on parshealthhtv explores the 8 top calisthenics workouts. Keep watching to know more. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Number 8. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are one of the most routine activities for burning calories and strengthening the body. They deliver good cardio and are helpful for the heart and lungs. This exercise is one of the foundation workouts in calisthenics. Works on lats, chest, shoulders, calves, glutes, hamstrings, and core. Steps to do. Stand straight with your feet together and put your arms at your side. Inhale and jump when kicking your legs out and wide. Lift your arms over your head at the same time. For good measure, you can clap or also join your hands. Again, jump and then bring your hands down and put your feet back together. Do 3 sets of 20 reps. Number 7. Prisoner squat jumps. Prisoner squat jumps are a modified type of squat jumps. The different positioning of arms in the prisoner squats works on the abs and lower body. Works on glutes, hamstrings, quads, calves, lower abs, and mid-abs. Steps to do. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart and place your toes pointing out. Set your hands behind your head with your elbows high and pointing out to the opposing side. Squat down low with your abdomen slightly forward. Maintain your spine straight and also keep your knees above your heels. Do not allow your knees to overshoot the heels. Jump up as high as possible with your hands behind your head. Land gently and get back into the squat position. Do 4 sets of 7 reps. Number 6. Lunge jumps. Jump lunges are excellent for toning and strengthening your legs and developing balance and coordination. Making jump lunges also helps burn calories and make lower body limb strength. Works on hamstrings, calves, quads, glutes, and lower abs. Steps to do. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Maintain your shoulders rolled back and chest out, and look straight forward. Take your left foot forward and lunge by flexing both knees until the left thigh is parallel to the ground. Ensure that the knees do not overshoot the heels. Jump and land softly on the ground with your right leg forward and left leg behind. Lunge down by flexing your knees until the right thigh is parallel to the floor. This finishes 1 repetition. Do 4 sets of 7 reps. Number 5. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches aid in burning fat from the core area, boost coordination, and build a strong midsection. Works on obliques, upper abs, lower abs, mid-abs, hamstrings, quads, glutes, lats, and shoulders. Steps to do. Lie down on a mat, flex your knees, maintain your feet flat on the ground, and push your lower back to the ground. Put your hand behind your head with your elbows pointing out, raise your head, and look at your knees. Do not tuck in your neck. Raise your legs off the ground. This is the beginning position. Open your left leg and crunch up to touch the left elbow with the right knee. Bring your left leg to the starting pose. Extend your right leg and crunch up to touch your right elbow to your left knee. This completes 1 rep. Do 4 sets of 7 reps. Number 4. Sit-ups. Sit-ups focus on the belly part and are an excellent way to build abs strength and endurance. The place of the hands, behind your head or over your head, determines the muscles sit-ups focus on. Works on lower abs, upper abs, mid-abs, chest, hip flexors, quads, shoulders, and hamstrings. Steps to do. Lie down on the floor. Hold your knees flexed, put your feet flat on the ground, and both hands extended overhead. Push your lower back down on the ground. Engage your abdomen, put your heels on the ground, raise your hands off, and then your head and upper body. Come to a sitting pose with the forearms touching both your knees. Exhale and gradually lie back on the floor, holding your hands over your head. This finishes 1 repetition. Do 4 sets of 7 reps. Number 3. Wall push-ups. Wall push-ups help build the chest and arm muscles. They help strengthen the upper body strength needed to do regular push-ups with better ease. Works on pectorals, chest, lats, biceps, and core. Steps to do. Stand 2 steps away from a wall while facing it. Put your palms on the wall and hold your hands shoulder width apart. This is the initial pose. Flex your elbows and then lean towards the wall. Stop while your chest is about to touch the wall. Exhale and then push back to the beginning position. Do 4 sets of 10 reps. Number 2. Incline push-ups. The incline push-up targets the abs muscles and helps tone the chest, arms, and shoulders. It helps enhance balance and upper body muscle endurance. Works on pectorals, biceps, rear deltoids, and core. Steps to do. Put your hands shoulder width apart on a sofa, bench, or box. Extend your back, legs, and feet together. Hold your eyes on the bench. Do not fold your neck in. Align your buttocks, spine, and legs in a straight line. This is the initial position. Engage your abs and flex your elbows to lower your chest towards the box. Stop while your chest almost touches the box. Exhale and then push your body back to the initial position. Do 4 sets of 7 reps. Number 1. Triceps dips. The triceps are muscles at the back of your upper arm. Toning this part of the body can be difficult. Thankfully, these dips are excellent calisthenics for the triceps and the upper body. Works on shoulders, triceps, and core. Steps to do. Sit on the chair or bench, whatever you are utilizing for the dips. Grasp the chair ends on your sides and drives yourself forward off the chair so that your posture maintains the same as sitting on a chair. This is your pose for performing the tricep dips. Flex your elbows and lower yourself as low as possible until your triceps become parallel to the floor. Push yourself to the initial position. Do 4 sets of 10 reps. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.